Let us continue the electron dot structures of these molecules. Now, the first one is hydrogen sulphide. So, we know the atomic number of hydrogen, that is only 1. The valence electron is only 1 in hydrogen. What about the sulfur? Sulfur is having the atomic number 16. So, how can we write the electronic configuration? In the first shell, 1s2 and then again 2s2. 2p6, again we have 3s2 and then 1, 2, 2, 10 and then 12, so 3p4. So, for sulfur we have the outer electronic configuration, we have 6 electrons. So, for this one now we are going to draw the electron dot structure. So, here we have 2 hydrogen and 1 sulfur. How can we write that? So, first we can write sulfur here. And in both the sides, we can write hydrogen. Here one hydrogen and I am going to put another one hydrogen here. Okay. Now let us draw the electron dot structure. How can we draw? In hydrogen, we have only one valence electron. So just I am putting like this. I am putting a star here for this hydrogen. And here also I am just giving another one. And as I have told you, here the valence electron of sulfur is 6. Now let us write. How many electrons do we have? We have 6 electrons now. How can we write? I am just putting because these two are now going to share, isn't it? So I am drawing like this. This is the first electron of sulfur. This is the second electron of sulfur. And here I have 1. So totally 1, 2, 3, 4. And here this is our fifth of sulfur and then this one. Okay. So now check here. Shall we draw now? So how can we draw? Here actually this hydrogen and sulfur is sharing, isn't it? So I can draw the structure like this here. Here also again this electron of sulfur and hydrogen is now shared. So I can draw like this. Okay. And now just look at here. We can draw like this. Okay. Now here for hydrogen our valence shell is filled. Here also filled. Look at the sulfur. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 electrons are there. So they are also having the completely filled configuration. This is the electron dot structure for hydrogen sulfide. Next one is propanone. So first let us write the formula for that. Propanone. So 1 carbon, second and then 3 carbon. Make it prop. Okay. Now we need propanone. So just I am putting double bond because it ends with O-N-E, that is keto group is there. Now we can finish the other structure. Here I can put a bond. Here also. So this carbon is now satisfied. Here only 1 carbon. So I can write here CH3. Here only 1 bond. So I can write. Okay. So this is the structure of your propanone. Common name. What is this? This is called as your acetone. Okay. Now let us draw the structure. Now I am just putting here. Here I am drawing 1 carbon here. And the second carbon I am going to put it here. And the third carbon here. Okay, so 3 of my carbon is now over. And here hydrogen I will have to draw. Here 1 hydrogen. According to the structure, here I have another 1 hydrogen. And here I have another 1 hydrogen. Okay, and this side also I can draw now. We will have to write only the structure now. So hydrogen. Here 1 and here another 1. And at the center we have only oxygen. So I am just putting it here. Now we can draw the electrons. How can we do? The same thing. For hydrogen we know only 1 electron, 1 valence electron it has, isn't it? So we can simply write here only 1 dot, 1 star. Okay, this is for this hydrogen. And now I am putting it for another 1. And again for the third one now I have here. And for this hydrogen, I can draw it here. And for this hydrogen, I can do it here again. So, all of my hydrogen is now over. I will have to satisfy now my carbon. So, let us consider carbon. We know the valency of carbon is 4. So, this carbon is now going to share with this hydrogen. So, 1 I can put. Okay. And here I can draw another 1. So, second one. Now, my third one, I can draw it here. Okay. Now, my fourth one, that is going to share with this one. Okay. Just I am putting like this. Okay. Now, I am moving to this carbon. Here also look at here. I have 3 hydrogens. So one is shared with this hydrogen, second one is shared with this hydrogen, third one is also shared with this hydrogen. What about the fourth one? That is shared by this carbon. So I am just putting like this. Okay, so now my carbon is also, this carbon is also over. Now look at this carbon. How many electrons? Here actually we need again 4, isn't it? It is, we know already double bond. So I am just putting a square like this, 1 and then 2 electron of this carbon. The third one is now shared with this. Okay, and the fourth one is shared with this. So 4 of these electrons are now shared. What about this oxygen now? Oxygen already we know. Valence electron we have 2, isn't it? So let us write that also now. How can I put? Just I am drawing a triangle for that. 1 minute, I will take another one. So we have a triangle like this. Okay, so here we have double bond. Okay, this is the structure now. Let us draw the circle. How can we draw? Okay, look at here how I am doing. Okay, and then this is also now shared, isn't it? So here I can write like this. Yes, here I can do like this. And now what happened here? These electrons are shared by this carbon and this carbon, isn't it? Yes, so we will have to wait. How can we draw, like this. Look at here how I am doing. Okay? Yes. Now here I can do for this one. Here also I can do. Here also. Okay. Now what about this one? So these are now. Do you understand how I am doing? Now you can check. In all the position we have here for hydrogen 2 electrons, 2 electrons, 2 electrons. What about the carbon? 2, 2, 4, 6, 8 electrons. Okay. Here also look at this carbon 2, 4, 6, 8 electrons. Okay. What about this carbon? I will have to draw. So this is your structure of propanone. Okay. The next structure is fluorine. We know the atomic number of fluorine. Fluorine is having the atomic number 9. So how can we write the configuration? 1 is 2, 2 is 2, and then here how many do you have? 2p5. Yes. We have the outer electrons. How many outer electrons? We have only 7. Okay, the valence electron is actually, that is not completed, isn't it? It needs 1 electron. Yes. Now let us draw the structure. So here I can put one fluorine and another one fluorine like this. So how many electron do I have in the valence position? In valence electron I can say that is here. We cannot say valence electron. Valence electron is actually we need only 1, isn't it? But the electron present in the outermost shell is only 7. So now I am going to write 1 electron, 2 electron, 3, 4, 5, 6 and then my 7th one. Okay, now I can draw for this fluorine 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and what about this? That is only now shared, isn't it? Yes. So now look at here. Simple structure only we are going to draw. What is that? Now look at here. 6 plus 1 7 plus 1 8. Here also 6, 7, 8 electrons. So they have the completely filled configuration. Like that only the fluorine molecule is formed. You want to get more videos like this, like, share and subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell button. Thank you.